Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a MasterCraft boat. This is specifically a ProStar 209, very similar to the X9, but it's going to be the exact same on pretty much any of the GM engines, 5.7 liter. This one's a Predator 5.7 Vortec, or basically a Chevy 350. First thing is looking at the oil drain line. MasterCraft does a nice job by hooking on a drain line off of the bottom of the pan that hooks up on that clip. So it comes off the bottom of the pan, hooks to that clip right there, and just unhook right there. And you're gonna basically unhook that like a keychain, loop it around and point it down to where it can go out the bottom of the hole, or basically through your drain plug. So drop right down below. We'll stick an oil pan down below there. This is outside the boat, sitting down below. Pull this cap off and let it drain. There's nothing stopping it. It's a very slow drain with cold oil. If you can start it up beforehand and get it warm, it'll drain faster. But it's just going to trickle out. It's going to trickle out for a long time. Should be about 5 quarts in here, maybe 5.5 quarts. So just let it drain while you do any other work that you have on the boat. Come around here, pulling the oil filter off. What I like to do is put 2 or 3 plastic bags, Walmart bags, down below it. Pull your oil filter. It'll dump oil all over yourself, but you can dump it into the bag. Catch the entire filter, let it drain for a little bit. Your new filter, take a dab of oil, just like on any oil change. Lube up your O-ring or your gasket. Flip it over, same on the other side. This way it doesn't get stuck on there and it's really hard for the next person to come off. These don't have to go on super tight. A lot of, no-name shops might put them on way too tight, and then you have to struggle getting them off. Just slide it on there after it's been lubricated and screw it in place, and that's pretty much it. In this video, I don't show putting the oil in, but you can imagine, just goes through the oil fill spot. For a Chevy 350, it's usually 5 to 5.5 quarts. Measure it, and put the cap back on that drain line and push it back up into place and click it back on where it goes. Thanks for watching my video. I'll catch you next time.